Hello everybody and welcome to today's mini video. I thought I'd take you on a little McDonald's drive-through to show you what I order, and you know, I just thought it'd be a bit different to see what I have for lunch. And also bear in mind that I am going to be eating and talking, so if you're sound sensitive to food noises, then I highly suggest you don't watch. And sorry if I'm not looking in the camera, because I've got this set up in the car and I don't even know where I'm looking, so it's really silly. But yeah, I just thought I'd take you on a little McDonald's drive-through. Yay! Okay, talk to you later, bye. Right, let's go to the McDonald's drive-through. Woohoo! What do I get at McDonald's? Right, let's see what window we want to go to. I've had them at Crispy before, which is really nice. But I think I'm gonna get chicken nuggets today. Hi, can I get a chicken nugget meal, please?
Is that a medium or large drink?
Medium, please.
What drink?
Diet Coke.
Anything else?
Have you got the mozzarella dippers?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. I normally like the spicy ones, but they don't have the spicy ones. Let's try these mozzarella dippers, see if they're any good. Oh my god, I love McDonald's drive-thru. $7.88. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi. Thank you. Enjoy. Thanks so much. Have a nice day. Right. Oh, did she give me a straw? I like to eat my McDonald's in the car. And I just thought, well, you know, let's just see if we like the dippers. Okay, this is what I get at a McDonald's drive-thru, okay? I get a Diet Coke. Oh my god, you know what I forgot to ask for? Oh my god, I forgot to ask for barbecue sauce. These are the mozzarella dippers with salsa. I forgot to ask for barbecue sauce. I'm gonna have to go and ask for barbecue sauce. Let's try the mozzarella dipper. I think the I tell you what, the nacho ones are better. I like the nacho ones. You've got to eat it in the car because otherwise it gets too cold really quickly. But the problem is I've not got barbecue sauce and I have to get barbecue sauce. I've got the barbecue sauce. I've had to go in and get it. How stupid's that? Because you can't have chicken nuggets without barbecue sauce. Oh, let's move the chair back. The thing is, you've got to eat it in the car because that's when it's hot. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I've had to like drive around to find a space that no one else is next to me in the car because I really wanted to do like a mukbang, like a where people ask me questions, but I don't know how to get to the questions. Oh my God, why do people always stare at you? Like, bug off. Stop staring. I literally want to look at people and go, yes, can I help you? They are so nice in this McDonald's. So nice. Now if I want to leave, they even have a car service here. I'm not joking, right? Where you can sit and order in your car and they'll come and bring it to you. I mean, that is just amazing. I'm trying to do like different kinds of videos. You know, taking you out and about. But I've seen so many people do these mukbangs. And I just, but I've got no questions. I've got no questions to answer. So, there we go. I just thought I'd take you along, tell you what my McDonald's order is. It's usually a £1/4 pound. Sometimes it's £1/4 pounder with cheese. Sometimes it's the McCrispy. But when I just want something basic, it's chicken nugs, barbecue sauce. I mustn't eat so fast because So what else have I got to tell you? Oh yeah, I was like discussing this the other day with myself because usually when I drive, I talk to myself. And I find it so interesting how, you know, men and women are obviously very different. But like on walks, I can see the same woman with her dog 100 times and say, hi, hello. But it's like they never want to sit and chat. But it's the men who kind of want to chat, which I don't want. Like, I mean, I keep seeing this one guy, and I think the other day, well, he keeps commenting on the time that I'm there. Every time he's like, oh, what time do you call this? Or, oh, you're early. Oh, I haven't seen you up there for a while, and blah, blah, blah. And I'm just like, what are you, the timekeeper? Like, what are you, the timekeeper? Anyway, and I try to avoid these people because he walks with this lady who has a schnauzer as well, and I always think, don't you want to walk with me? But anyway, I keep seeing him and it freaks me out. But the other day I saw him and there was another lady with her dog, and you know, it was on a lead and he was there as well. Oh, hi, blah, 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 blah. And she said, oh, I keep him on a lead because he runs off. And he says, just like most men. And I was like, I'm sorry, but who says that? Anyway, he proceeds to get out some tin foil with some ham. And he starts giving it to that lady's dog, and she's like, oh, please don't, you know, she was Russian, I can't do the Russian accent, but she said, please don't do that, please, because my dog, he can't eat, you know. And he got sort of offended. And she was like, oh, I'm really sorry. Like, she was saying she was apologising to him. And then he goes to give it to my dog. And I thought, oh, for flip's sake. I don't understand people giving their dogs treats on a morning walk, like 6 in the morning. They're going to get their breakfast when they go home, unless they've had their breakfast before. But I give my dog his breakfast after. And then, of course, I feel like I can't say anything. So he's given ham to my dog, which has freaked me out because now he thinks it's like a form of, oh, now your dog's going to trust me, because Bertie loves anyone that gives him food. And I don't want that. I don't want him to just be like running up to that guy. I just don't like it. And it freaked me out. I was just like, oh my God. So ever since then, I changed my times. Like, if he's at the top bit, and then the other day I walked down at the bottom bit of the park, and there he was at the end, and his dog saw me, and I hid behind a bush. You know, I just don't. And then today I saw him again, and he was like, I pretended to look at something else, and he was like, and I thought, what is it with these guys and thinking you want to chat, and the women don't? I just don't. Do you know how many numbers I've exchanged with other girl dog walkers? And I don't know, like, are they just, do you want to walk together or not? It's just so, they just, and the other lady with the schnauzer, it's just always so brief. She's like, hi, you're right, bye, and that's it. I've seen another lady 20 times, hi, you're right, bye. Whenever it's a bloke, though, they stop and chat to you, like, normally. And I'm like, why don't women do that? Like, you know, it'd be quite nice and go, hey, you want to go for a coffee, you know? But no one ever does that. And when they do, well, I mean, oh, and this was the weirdest thing. I'd met this one person ages ago, and she had a schnauzer. And she was like, take my number, we'll go for walks together. And I thought, great. But like, I never called because, I don't know, I thought maybe she's just being polite. And she never called, and I never saw her again, whereas I used to see her quite often. Anyway, a couple of weeks ago, I'm in the park, and I see her, and she's got her dog and another dog, and she sees me, obviously recognises me, but she seems a bit like, she pretends it's kind of off, and I kind of got the vibe like, oh, she doesn't want to talk to me. So we both pretended like we didn't know each other. I mean, this is how stupid it gets. So we both pretended we didn't know each other and moved on. And now we just pretend that we don't know each other. Fabulous. Honestly, I just don't know anymore. Some people are really good at making friends, or just, you know, and maybe I make people feel weird. I hate that. I hate the thought that I make people feel weird. Or it's never the people you want to actually be friends with. Does that make sense? Like, you've got to be on the same wavelength. Do you know what I mean? You can't just be, in my opinion, anyway. Well, there we go. I'm going to finish my McDonald's. That was my little impromptu chat. If you want me to do another mukbang where I actually answer some questions, then let me know and I'll do that. Yeah. Alright then. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I need to get to 10,000 subbies. And like and comment below. Alright, I'll see you later. Ta-da!